what I got for you guys is the rocket stove in its collapsed form. I'm going to go through and put it together, and then we'll light it up. So altogether it weighs about 3 pounds. The construction of it is keys and tabs. You can see these are the tab portions here. This is actually your bottom part of it. And then your keys are on the exterior. You see your keys. Here's your two sides. I'll throw these together really quick. I'm gonna try to stay out of camera for y'all. And there's your basic shape of your rocket stove. I'm gonna insert the bottom. Okay. The larger of the graded portions is for the bottom of your burning chamber. And then this is the separator between your air intake and your fuel hopper. Sweet. Now if I were to let go of it, it'd kind of fall apart because nothing's holding the front portion of it together. So what I'm going to grab here is the bottom of our air intake. And I'm gonna feed this right down like that. So now we're locked together. I can assemble everything else. Starting from top of our chimney. Throw that in there. The top of our fuel hopper. Throw that in there. And then all of our removable bits. Our ash hopper. Our fuel hopper door. Our air intake. And then our pot holders. So there's your basic rocket stove setup for you.